the future of one of rap's biggest stars at stake.
He faces life in prison. The judge in the Young Thug trial has ruled prosecutors can use the rapper's lyrics as evidence.
Rapper Young Thug, known for hits like Check. And for co-writing the Grammy-winning song, This Is America with Childish Gambino.
Yeah, this is America. Guns in my area.
Now far from the recording studio.
You're going to hear that this gang stole at least 3 lives from this community.
His trial finally underway in this Georgia courtroom after more than a year of twists and turns.
He is not sitting there telling people to kill people. He doesn't need their money. Jeffrey's worth tens of millions of dollars.
10 months to pick a jury because of jury selection, drugs coming in and out of their court, attorneys getting arrested and throwing out of court. And every turn in this case was nothing but a roller coaster.
Young Thug, whose given name is Jeffrey Williams, has been in Cobb County Jail for over 560 days, awaiting trial on 8 charges related to racketeering, gang activity, as well as drug and firearm possession. He has pleaded not guilty to all charges. The case also becoming a symbol for whether rap lyrics should be admissible in court.
Is the use of lyrics as evidence unique to hip-hop?
Yes, absolutely. Rap music is the only fictional form, musical or otherwise, that is targeted this way in the courts.
The trial being carried out by the same district attorney, Fani Willis, prosecuting former President Trump for violating the same Georgia RICO Act.
I think especially for Donald Trump and his attorneys, they're watching DA Willis's attorneys put on this case against Young Thug. You're basically getting the playbook of how a team is competing that you know you're going to compete against later.
Gang members, YSL.
Prosecutors painting the Grammy winner as the mastermind of a criminal enterprise. YSL, the young slime life gang, notorious in Atlanta for violent crime.
The members and associates of YSL, they moved like a pack, with the defendant Jeffrey Williams as its head.
The defense firing back, saying the record label, started by Young Thug, YSL, Young Stoner Life, has a name rooted in fashion.
The tight-fitting pants, the women's pants that they're wearing, it says YSL, Yves Saint Laurent. That's where that comes from.
And painting a sympathetic portrait of the 32-year-old.
Thug meant and means to Jeffrey something very personal. He would be truly humble under God. That's what Thug means.
The saga began in May 2022 when Young Thug, along with rapper Gunna and 26 others, were charged in a sweeping 56-count indictment. Sergio Kitchens, a.k.a. Gunna, known for hits like Drip Too Hard, entered an Alford plea last December, allowing him to maintain his innocence while pleading guilty.
To simply say an artist who is expressing themselves now on RICO charges, I've never heard it happen before. That was for real gangs that they knew were killing people, that they knew were extorting people. And now we're talking about lyrics.
Music executive Kevin Liles was in court for opening statements this week. I spent time with him last year when he spoke out in support of both Young Thug and Gunna, 2 artists he's worked with.
You say lyrics, I say our culture's on trial. I think it's a very slippery slope. We will protect black art by any means necessary. I will protect black art like it's my family because it's my family.
When District Attorney Fani Willis announced charges, she cited lyrics as some of the evidence of an alleged criminal conspiracy.
I think if you decide to admit your crimes over a beat, I'm going to use it.
The practice goes back over 30 years, but particularly in the last 10 or 15 years, we've seen a significant increase in cases and an increase specifically in these gang-related cases.
Eric Nielsen is the co-author of Rap on Trial, Race, Lyrics, and Guilt in America, and is a potential witness Young Thug's defense team may call on as an expert on the matter. We spoke late last year.
This is a fictional form that you're using, and you're attributing song lyrics to somebody's state of mind.
In this case, the judge is allowing rap lyrics to be used conditionally.
The issue with using rap lyrics, the jury may not follow you, but if the jury is connecting all the dots as the prosecutor wants, rap lyrics or lyrics of any kind can be a very strong tool for a prosecutor.
One lyric that could be used from his song Anybody, featuring Nicki Minaj and Slatty.
I never killed anybody.
but I got something to do with that body.
Young Thug's defense attorney saying today his lyrics are art, not evidence.
He's not in a conspiracy. They are lyrics.
The potential witnesses to be presented by both sides, over 150 names long.
Killer Mike and Lil Wayne are all on the witness list, and so we might potentially see some pretty big name celebrities in this case.
Whether those initially charged with Young Thug, who have since pleaded guilty, will testify is still to be determined.
Will they testify and point the finger as they did and say YSL is a gang and Young Thug and others participate in that gang, or will they plead the fifth?
Young Thug isn't the only high-profile defendant in Fulton County, Georgia, facing racketeering charges. Former President Donald Trump and 18 others were charged this summer for allegedly trying to overturn the results of the presidential election in Georgia in 2020. Trump has pleaded not guilty.
I think the results of this case may inform the former president as to the strategies and the arguments that are used for admitting evidence, but past that, it's going to be apples and oranges.
From behind bars, Young Thug hasn't stopped making music. This summer, he dropped a new album and his song Parade on Cleveland. He directly references his time behind bars.
Hello, this is a prepaid call from an inmate at the Cobb County Adult Detention Facility.
And talks about coming home.
Parade on Cleveland soon as I get home. I'm coming home.
Young Thug's trial is expected to last months.
It's the duality of who is Jeffrey Williams. Is he the Grammy Award-winning artist? Is he the general of a major gang, or is he both?
Business is business.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.